insane. I think up there would be nice. Biking around. I definitely come back to this. Very nice architecture, views. And it's not even that hot, to be honest. I only took my phone with me today. Yeah. Next time, man. Yeah, what is up, y'all? I just received those samples. They just hit the mail. These are swimming trunks, and I gotta say, they came out perfect and just in time too, cause I'll be going to the Philippines. I haven't told you yet, but I am going to the Philippines next week to meet up with Drew and Nigo. The ones who follow me for some time, you should know them from the past Japan videos. And yeah, I just made swimming trunks for the trip and for the release, because these will probably come out in a pre-spring summer 25 collection. And one thing I hate about swim trunks is when they are too long, when they go over the knees. So these are like the perfect length. They are just above the knees, contrast stitching in like a nylon material with like our logo embroidery, contrast stitching, Velcro back pocket, and that's it. What is up, yo? Hope you guys are doing well. I just got this nice iced latte. Yeah, it's a beautiful day today. I got quite some stuff on the list. I got one denim with me, and I want to go to this one repair shop that offers like artisan repairs, because we don't really have this in Germany. I'm sure we have somewhere, but I don't know where. This one denim has like distressing at the knees, like open knees, which I don't really like, so I'm gonna get it fixed. And then it's like the perfect denim. It's like a Levi's 517. So I'm gonna head to this repair shop now, and then I'm basically free for the day. Might check out some stores, some cafes, probably some nice dining tonight, and yeah, it's one of my last days here, so let's go. There we go. Like, as I'm leaving in 5 days, it was so hard to convince him to do like express service, because he told me like pick up next Sunday, because he has to do 100 repairs, which I understand, but like for me he does it until the 25th. So I'm very grateful. Shout out the store. I didn't film too much just cause there have been like many customers. But when I pick up, I will show you the final product. Super nice. That like different options for repairs, like zigzag, patchwork. I did 3 repairs and tightened the waist. So we gonna see. These ones so cool. Can I try it?
Oh, yes. It's fine.
That's all I have.
Yes.
My friend has
Your friend
in Germany many people
Yeah.
in summer.
Yes, yes, yes.
Just chill vibe. You know, I've been going from spot to spot the past days, so I just enjoy chilling in the park right now. It's called the Lumpini Park, and shit is huge. So nice. Shit. Yeah, honestly, the plan for the day might just be get some food now. Haven't eaten anything yet. I'm thinking about like Thai street food. Might check out some vintage store. Otherwise tomorrow there's a full day to explore. I have some really nice cafes a bit outside of Bangkok to chill, work. Yeah, I could see myself like running here, sleeping here. It's a very huge park. And yeah, let's get some food, I guess, man. This right here, especially on ice, yo, Coke is the best drink ever. Like, prove me wrong, especially in the summertime. All right. This one smells like tom yum. That's like just shrimps. Dang. It's Shono, they have a Lawson here. I didn't know, but honestly, I think better selection than 7-Eleven. There it is. We're basically in the middle of nowhere. Took me 20 minutes to drive here. Doesn't really look like Bangkok. Like, chill as fuck, bro. I think this is it's called Claywood, so you just do pottery here, but they have a cafe also. I got plenty of work done, good food. Unfortunately, no cooked food today, but yeah, many people just came with their scooters, cars, and now I am getting some Mexican food as I'm craving like big burritos, you know what I'm saying? So I'll see you. Looks so nice. Before, like, big hole.
Yes.
Yes. You made?
It's my
Your friend?
yes at home.
Yeah. So that's the denim. Alright, I just picked up the denim and I did not expect it to be... I knew it would be good, but this good, bro. Like, the streets look so nice here. I will show you what the area is called right now. Basically getting some food now. Yeah, I don't really know if this is a popular dish, but it's definitely up here from what I've eaten in the past weeks. So like, this meal has it all, like egg, rice, like sauce, pork. It's pretty good, and it seems like this spot is very popular because many people come here. Yo, this looks incredible. Nah, that's probably top one I have eaten in the whole trip so far. Like, you can tell how many people go here. The place is called Bangkok Thai, I guess. Mostly seafood, and honestly haven't tried that much seafood here, even though I'm like a seafood lover. But yeah, this finishes this whole like trip off perfectly, cause I'm flying to the Philippines tomorrow. So best dish. Probably getting some dinner later though. I've seen this one gyukatsu place when driving around the city, so yeah, if I'm hungry, like 10 p.m, might go there. Good night, folks. It's the last night. Gotta wake up at 5 tomorrow, so I see ya in the Philippines, man. Let's go. All right, it's a new place. Yo, she looks nice. We're here in Manila, whatever. It's a three bed Airbnb. The view is kind of nice. Yeah, it's very nice. Like, this is one bed, I guess. We've got like the TV, small little kitchen, and yeah, Nigo, Drew, who's probably arriving in like 2 hours, 3 hours. I haven't seen them in months. Like, it's gonna be so fire, bro. I can feel like the city has like a very summer vibe already. Yeah, look who's back with us. What they do, baby? What's up? Yes, sir. Got like a whole feast right here. Reunion dinner. So that's what we got. Let's go. The hospital. Oh yeah, that's the store right here. I like the color.
Yeah, the color is nice.
Like the color? You think I should dye it black?
Nah, nothing.
No?
Maybe keep it like this and really get.
Good morning. As you guys have seen, we are in Siargao, and yeah, this is our bungalow. Don't mind the mess. Your vibes. Hidden Lagoon. Cold Spring. You gonna jump in there?
Yeah. Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe you're okay.
No, just use magic. Like magic. Got some pizza, spicy salami, margarita, or a flow steak. Look at that, you see that? Oh.
不意になぜか今訪れたそんな空気が今流れた誰かを感じながら眺めた優しさが溢れたこの時間のせいこの天気のせいこの景色のせいこの年齢のせい涙がしながら
God dang.
見上げた言葉を探して
Vibes, vibes. Every day.
Everyday mango shake. Wait, no, this is yours. I got much. That's it, that's it. Good times, man, good times.
So
he's going to the club because I can't. I have a flight.
He's going to fucking China.
Bro, I have a flight to China in 6 hours. So we are going. End of the trip, get some burritos.
It's Colombia with cocaine.
Yeah, I woke up in the middle of the
what is
night
girl
and
doing?
I noticed my girl wasn't by my
That ass.
Could've sworn I was dreaming, for her I was fiending, so I had to take a little ride. Backtracking on these few years, trying to figure out what I do to make it go bad.